Hi AMI team, this is Joe, the president of FlexScreen. I wanted to give you guys a quick demonstration of how much weight the bond between the mesh and the frame can hold on our units. We have 25 pounds that I'm going to put on one at a time here, just so you guys can see. As you guys can see, this holds much more than any testing that would possibly be required of a window screen. So we want to let it sit for a minute or two just so that you guys can see the final results. So we're at a minute of 100 pounds sitting in the middle of the frame. We can actually let that sit for much longer, and we can go much heavier. But this gives you a good demonstration of how much weight our screens can hold. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks.